this was one of the special exchange evolution Pokemon I was talking about. Tonight we're going to draw Accelgor from Pokemon Black and White Rival Destinies. Accelgor basically is shown its evolved form. He knows moves like Recover and what else? Maybe Double Team. He's the evolved form of Shelmet. Without his armor, he's fast, like a ninja. He's one fast guy. Here's the upper half. Death and Destruction. Alexa, play Black and White by Nate Wants to Battle.
Black and White by Nate Wants to Battle on Amazon Music.
It's always hard when the journey begins. Hard to find your way, hard to make amends.
And finished. That is how you draw Accelgor. There's a lot we need to know about the exchange evolution between Shelmet and Carablast. Like, are there more like him out there? Can't wait to see that. That's all for now. Please like, watch, and subscribe to my channel. Stay good, see you later.